Hey guys, today's video we're going to do the unboxing for the new GoPro Hero7 Black. I placed an order about a week ago. It's finally here. So we're gonna do all the unboxing. And along with that I also bought the accessories like the GoPro stick fold, extra battery, and the memory card. So with all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. Okay, this is what we have inside the box. Just tonnage. Okay. Nice packaging. Perfect. So now I believe the Go7 came out last July of last year. So it's nice. Still nice. So let's go ahead and take the plastic out. Now that it's out, there you go. This is what we have in the side, on the back, at the back. Okay. So we get a 12 megapixel, we get a 4K video, we get the waterproof 10 meter, the voice command, that's touch screen, the touch screen, 8x slow-mo, the GPS, HDR, which is this is the high, I think the high dynamic range, that's what it stands for. And we get the hyper smooth, this one is good, and the live streaming, this is also good. Okay, let's get inside, guys. Okay, what we have inside. There you have it, guys. It's clean. GoPro. These are the instructions how you take this one out. So there you go. At first we have to remove the GoPro out of the box. So lift this one up and squeeze these two. I don't know if you guys see it. These two, squeeze that and then push it out. There you have it, guys. Now it's out. It's easily come out. There you go. You get the black 7 on the side. We get you. So we have the famous turtle and the front. Okay, let's put this one aside for now. And let's check what we have inside. So we get the illustration, and we get the sticker, and the important product safety instruction. I don't know if you guys want to read that, but let's put that one aside for now. Okay. Inside the box we have two mount, just in case you need extras. Oh, battery come out in the plastic, but they usually inside the plastic. So this is the battery. We have battery, and lastly we got the cable. Okay, so that's everything inside the box. So that's that. Let's take the camera out from the casing. Now this one, you guys need to be careful because this one's kind of like tight. So just pull it out backward, and then it will gonna come out quite easily. So let's do it. See, it's not that hard, guys. So let's take the camera out. Just careful. So there you have it, guys. Now it's out of the casing. Here. That's the power. No, I'll take that back. This is where you take a shot. And then that's the power right there. Okay, let's open it. So this is where you insert your battery, and then the small casings right there is where your stick card gonna go in. So let's go open the stick card in the memory. And let's go and start inserting it. So this is what I have, guys. SanDisk. Okay, let's open it. So this is the card. Open it. Let's go open it. And let's go ahead and insert it. There you go. It's in there. So let's go ahead and next one is the battery. Okay. Suppose this way. There you have it, guys. Then let's close. There you go. Turn it on. There you go. If you guys hear the beep, that means it's turning it on. So I guess really low battery in it, but that's what it is. So let's remove the sticker. There you go. Alright, guys. I got one more thing to unbox, which is the GoPro stick pole. So let's put this one aside for now. Alright, I think when you extend this one, it could go up to 38 inch. So that's how it will get full extend. It's really nice. You get the feeling like, you know, it's really strong and it's really good. Okay. And then next is we have the extra battery. Let's check it out. So we have extra battery. So just in case we run out of charge of the other one, so we have extra one to go with it. You know, because sometimes you shooting or taking videos, and then you don't know that your battery is already low or you're already running out of juice. So it's kind of handy to have extra battery, guys. That's a must. Well, actually it's for me. I prefer to have extra ones. So that's how we do the unboxing with extra battery, the GoPro 7, the stick pole, and the memory card. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy unboxing with me. So if you guys like it, can you please give me a thumbs up? Help me to build my list, guys. There you have it. So thank you and have a good day.